first of all, we're going to look at simplifying fractions where the numerators and denominators are equations. So for instance, in a normal equation, we've got 2 over 3 or 4 over 5. But in some equations, or in algebraic ones, we can have 5 over x plus 2, x plus 3 over 6, or even an equation over an equation, such as 2x minus 1 over x squared plus 3. So for this instance by here, we've got 2x squared plus 3x over 4x squared minus 9. And quite often in exams, you're asked to simplify them, and usually this involves factorizing them and then seeing what's common to the top and bottom. So let's start with the top first then. We've got 2x squared plus 3x. Well, factorizing, if you remember, anything separated by a plus or a minus, we look to see what's common to them. And remember, if you're stuck on factorizing, you're not sure about this or it's too fast, make sure you have a look over the factorizing video. So 2 and 3, nothing will go into them. X squared and x, remember that x squared is x times x will go into both of them. So I put the x outside the brackets, and then 2x squared divided by x is 2x, and 3x divided by x is 3. So if you multiply both of these by x, 2x times x is 2x squared, 3x times x is 3x, you get the original equation. So that's factorized the numerator. Next, we're going to look at the denominator. Now, using one of the techniques I showed you, because both these numbers are square numbers, and there's a minus 9, and we've got no x's, only x squareds, we can do a simple trick of putting 3's at the end, one positive, one negative, because 3 times 3 is 9, and then a 2x and a 2x at the start, because 2x times 2x is 4x. So now, as a result, 2x times 2x gives us 4x. Insides will be plus 6x, outside will be minus 6x, so they cancel each other off. Then 3 times minus 3 is 9. So that's our denominator factorized. Again, if you got stuck in that or didn't follow it, have a look at factorizing quadratics. There's a couple of videos on those. So there's our factorization of the denominator. So instead of now putting the old numerator and denominator, I put the new ones as I factorized. And when you look at this straight away, you can see the top is x times 2x plus 3, and the bottom is 2x plus 3 times 2x minus 3. So to common to both of them is 2x plus 3, and they're not added on. 2x plus 3 is multiplied by something, so I can just cancel the 2 off, leaving me with x over 2x minus 3, and usually I take the brackets away here as well. So there we are. I've simplified that equation by factorizing the numerator and the denominator, see what's common and cancel them off.